Report now in that deadly officer-involved shooting in Council Bluffs.
It happened yesterday evening on I-29. Dave Zavolinsky at the alert desk with what we know at this hour. Dave, what's new?
Jacqueline and Brian, investigators say a man named Michael Broyles showed a gun during a traffic stop on I-29 yesterday evening. He allegedly then sped away before stopping near Council Bluffs, getting out of his vehicle and then firing at law enforcement. Officers returned fire. They hit Broyles. Law enforcement and paramedics provided aid and medical care. They even rushed him to the hospital, but he was later pronounced dead. Broyles was 48 years old. He's from Battlefield, Missouri. No officers were hurt, but those involved have been placed on leave per department policies. Once Iowa's Division of Criminal Investigation is done looking at this case, the Pottawatomie County Attorney and the Iowa Attorney General will then decide whether or not to bring any charges. Reporting from the alert desk, I'm Dave Zavolinsky.